welcome back to another Swatching New Makeup. They're all affordable and drugstore brand. And I meant to swatch this LA Girl Main Stage Desert Dream eyeshadow palette the last swatch video, but for some reason I left it out. Completely accidental, obviously. I love this color story. If there was ever a color story that represented like me in color story, this is definitely it. Mattes, duochromes, metallics, and shimmers in this palette. Very beautiful, stunning color story. Up next, I have the e.l.f. Electric Mood eyeshadow palette, and this is an 18 eyeshadow palette. Also, the main stage retails for $15. This one, I believe, was $16. Once again, very beautiful color story. That is what drew me in. A lot of mix of matte shimmers and like glittery kind of metallic shades. There's really nothing electric about this palette in my opinion. There's like some bright colors and stuff. Maybe they were going for a different vibe with the electric vibe, but when I think of electric, I think of like neons and stuff like that. But nonetheless, this is a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. I just picked these up from Five Below. They're from the W7 brand. This is Bare All. So it's like a neutrally palette with a pop-up color, and it also is a mix of mattes and shimmer metallics. And these shimmer shades are so nice and creamy. They feel like cream to powder eyeshadows. They're extremely nice. And I picked that up for $4.25. Another W7 palette that I have to swatch is the Soft Hues. These also are supposed to be Huda Beauty dupes. Very beautiful marbly metallic shade. And a lot of soft mattes and metallic shimmery shades as well. Very soft and creamy. Next up, I also have yet another W7 palette, and this is Bronze Brilliance. And it's a face palette. It's a highlighting and contour bronzer palette. And I just wanted to swatch it because I literally just hauled it. I picked this up at Five Below for $5. And last but certainly never least, we have Smoke and Mirrors. This is one of their plasticky faux leather book style palettes, and this is Tie-Dye Party. 23-piece total face and eye palette. Has a big nice mirror in there. The beautiful color story, a mix of mattes, shimmers, and glitters in here, and 3 face highlighters down here. So overall, very beautiful palette, but I do have to say I did pick this up for $5. The color story, though, to me does not scream tie-dye. When I think of tie-dye, once again, it's going to be bright, colorful colors like in a tie-dye t-shirt, but these are a lot of muted shades, but there is some bold colors in here as well. That will do it for this swatching new makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll stay tuned for new swatching videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.